na may karon, no? This the day. Lahi na yung kayo. Sheesh!
So just smile.
Oo, gandang sa kusyonan sa na.
On a Saturday, wake up time to get.
Tama na, boy.
No one's gonna leave you broken hearted. You don't need nobody. Everyone knows you.
Nice ka, vlog. Ano yung vlog? Expected, boy.
Not a worry in the world. You ain't scared enough.
Turn na on.
Girl, you got all you want.
Geng sign, geng.
Ayaw, pa-expect na madaw ko ron. Kaya wajong gandang kusyonan, sir. Right now.
God bless all. Ay, kung pala.
Just one look in your eyes.
Underworld, let's go.
No, I found who I'm looking.
Boss! Geng.
The way that you smile, that girl every smile.
Hi, Mayor. Wala mga kagana, naga-India. Welcome to my vlog. Hi, ma'am. Say hi to my vlog. Hi. And also your makeup artist.
Hi.
I can be with you, I feel like I need you in my
Hi,
arms.
Mr. DJ. Make us bet.
The way you look when you sip your chai, you got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright.
Sa'yo na-feel ni mo rong adlaw. Okay. Thank you. How about you, miss? How's your feel right now? Are you... yes. Are you nervous system?
My curricular brainstorm.
Okay. How about you?
Tababi.
I never thought.
Tay, katubag na, eh.
Welcome to my guys.
Hello, guys. Welcome to my vlog.
Cause I see. Something that everyone is craving. My arms. Smile like there's no one watching. Yeah.
Ready na ba? We're in surprise. I'm riding down the big Bumbato. Go.
Firefly. So ito sa Imikot. Okay, Firefly. Bandong. Yung print na labing ito.
Mga nice.
What is the
Our spirit animal is a frog. Saya sabi.
Ganun bakit mo? Yun ang bakit mo.
Ang amuang spirit animal kay Sparrow. In Bisaya kay Goryo.
What's up?
Goryo.
Goryo? Oh, that's first time for me to hear that. Goryo, ano Bisaya?
Goryo. Ang band is inspired by Da Vinci nga
Vitruvian Man.
Wow. Maganda sa Da Vinci. Nice.
Golden ratio. Thank you so much, Miss Kyla.
Thank you so much.
One spirit animal kay cat. Just like cat, ilumot me pero we're powerful.
Nakita ko nga kanina yung power. Sobrang power-dropping performance.
Yes, our spirit animal is magnificent ano, and also our color, a black and balog significant of gold, which is we're indestructible.
Wow, indestructible of cats.
Our department's name. We are calling Sir Arkitorture. Ready to receive your notes.
Good morning! Actually, to tell you that I'm very much happy seeing all of you here. Because
Department of Architecture and Fine Arts Day, celebrating uniqueness and fun experiences. These remarkable days symbolizing unity and celebrating a common message of sportsmanship, athletic superiority, and artistic achievements. Therefore, I declare DAFA Day 2023 be open.
First of all, partner, kailangan ko na-introduce ang ating board of judges.
Partner, Sparrow. She is a UBO, as consider your designer. Three-time national award in Euro, held at Baguio City and General Santos City, 2005-2007. Let's give a warm welcome, Miss Joy Angeline Belesio.
For the second judge, she has an educational background and graduated in 2014 at University of Bohol. Architectural detailer at Mountain Construction Philippines, INC Modaya Bohol project. Passed the ALE last June 2016. Project architect at Arkiglobal INC. Institutional Commercial and Institutional Project. At the present, he is the principal architect at FSM Architects and Trend Constructions, residential, commercial, and renovation projects. Academic instructor at the University of Bohol. Ma'am Charisse John Arada.
Let's give her a warm welcome.
And for our third judge,
Her judge, the head judge. He graduated Bachelor of Fine Arts Major in Advertising from the University of San Carlos, City, March 1988. He won first place in the PhD at MA at the University of San Carlos. First place in the Texas CQ category at the University of San Carlos in March 1988. He was also assistant and for grading selection collaborator at Fridays in San Studio in March 1982, June 1982. An in-house artist photographer at Minnesota Original Studio in June 1982, June 1985. First place, DOT Video 7 Photo Contest, the whole category. Third place, 2018 Golden Leaf Award for Photography in Manila. First instructor, teaching photography and digital design, visual communication and production. Decades here in our beloved university. A freelance photographer and advertising practitioner for over 20 years in clients ranging from industry, government, and private institutions. Let me welcome our head judge, Mr. Lord Bohol. A big round of applause, please. Alright, that's it for our board of judges. Please welcome the candidates for Mr. and Miss DAFA 2023 in their production number.
I am
Assistant House Parent daw.
Sir, kaya mo siya. Introduce yourself. Shy sir, para lang house parent. Ano mo sabi mo sa ginawa ng performance mo? Ano ang inyong family?
Very bad.
Nandito na tayo sa Freedom Smart, ang ating program. No? So, ano yung sasabi mo sa inyong mga houses and houses? Ayan.
Wait, hold on sa partner.
Ngayon, ano yung mga masasabi mo sa buong program? So, clients and natin sa ayan. Wala naman sa pagkumpit-kumpit pa, no? Call on Miss Tisha for the question.
For the Q&A
How do you plan to use your platform as a title holder in a positive impact in your life? As a title holder, I will make my time positive impact as a title holder to use this to showcase different abilities, different talents that art students possess and inspire others to show their abilities with the name of this department, University of Bohol. Thank you. Let me call on the next candidate number 2 from Bohol. What is Shaka Tango?
Walang supportan from Bohol.
What do you think today's event?
I feel nervous, but at the same time excited.
Guys, excited daw siya, no? Ano yung sabi mo from your in-house mates?
First of all, I would like to shout out to my team. That's wonderful.
Very supportive.
Ready ka na ba for this question and answer portion?
Not really, but here I am.
Kailangan na, talagang dito mo siya. So, let me call on the next speaker. Please speak your question. A piece of advice to younger version of yourself. What will it be and why?
Thank you for this fun question. Well, if I would be given a chance to give a piece of advice for my young version of myself, it would be like this. I know you've been through a lot, and you are scared and anxious of what the future could be. But just trust the process, believe in yourself, and just go with the flow. Because I know God is in control, and His plan is better than yours. And I believe that if it's God's will, it will be. And I say it.
Great answer. Candidate number 2. I call on candidate number 3 from the House of Adil. Kamusta naman, Adil? You're fine. So, kamusta naman mo? Very long and time kasi part question and answer. Kamusta naman so far?
I have a lot of plans.
Let's find out if I can be glad. Now, thinking about how soon we can find some event. So, ano yung tingin mo sabi mo sa house mo? Lalo na sa house fair.
Our house parents.
That's true. Your house parents.
One thing in the world today, what will it be?
Actually, I'm always a person who always go with the flow. That's why if I ask my younger self about this, I'm just saying, let it be, there's always a reason for my things. But now, seeing how the world is very toxic, there's this one vision that I really want to talk about, and this is cancel culture. A lot of people are afraid to express their thoughts on something, being afraid that they will get hated. And I don't think cancel culture will benefit us all, especially the fact that we are Filipinos, and it has really an impact on our freedom of speech. That's why I'm standing here in front of you to say to yourselves that we are free to speak what is in our thought, and we should not
videographer.
Mr. Bohol, your support.
If you could give a piece of advice to your younger version of yourself, what would it be and why?
If I could give advice to a young person, I would say that just keep pursuing your dreams and don't stop because nothing impossible in our life. All the project has a solution to go and keep chasing your dreams. Thank you.
How are you feeling today? Oh, it's been good. What can you say to your upstairs? In your upstairs? One, always support me. Are you ready? Yes. Ready? Alright. Wow, what's your passion for fine arts? Influencer, academic, and extracurricular pursuits. I see. Thank you so much. How are you feeling today? Scared. Why are you scared? You don't answer. I think that's fine. What do you say to your housemates and housemate? Sorry, I didn't answer.
Are you ready for your question?
I think they're looking for you as well. They're looking to work.
Nigel!
What initiatives do you have in mind to foster creativity and collaboration within your department?
I will tell my community to work together, encourage.
Mr. DAFA 2023 goes